Hello, this is Chad Wallace with Supply Chain Yokel 10. And I want to teach you about 10 different ways to reduce your inventory. And they can all be used in conjunction with one another. You want to ask why to reduce your inventory? Because you want to increase your cash flow and also reduce your space needed in your warehouse. Let me step right into these 10 rules. Smaller order sizes, MOQ, minimum order quantities. You want to negotiate small order sizes from your suppliers. Increase delivery frequency. For example, if you're getting a delivery once a month, go to 4 times a month. If you have a delivery once a week, go to twice a week. Increased inventory accuracy. You have to have accurate inventory to use just-in-time inventory because you want to reduce your safety stock, but you've been doing that to keep your customers happy. You have to have accurate inventory. Reduce your lead time. You want to reduce your lead time as much as possible from your suppliers. A lot of times that comes into forecasting, which I'll talk about later, but you want a smaller lead time from your suppliers. Reduce transit time. For example, you could use this for both international and domestic. It's sometimes a selection the right carrier with a smaller transit time, either from a sea shipment to air shipment or from domestic truck shipment or air shipment. Reduce safety stock. A lot of times people call this buffer stock. You want to reduce your safety stock in order to reduce your inventory. A lot of times maybe this is taking a chance, or sometimes I've heard people talk about when you reduce the water, you'll find the rocks, but you still have to do that, and when you'll learn where the rocks are. Better forecasting. You have to forecast accurately to your suppliers. And by doing that, they can procure material needed and also plan their capacity analysis. Reduce work in process. This is the material between your processes. For example, if you have a feeder process, reduce that inventory in those processes to reduce your overall inventory. Reduce dead stock or slow-moving inventory. A lot of times a lot of companies have inventory that hasn't been moved in a few years or months. Sometimes you need to cut that inventory and just write it off and get rid of it to reduce your inventory and gain space. Consider drop shipment from your suppliers directly to your customers. Or you could look at having your warehouses closer to your customers to reduce your inventory. And thanks again for joining us in Supply Chain Yokel 10. Hope you had some comments below and join me in the future videos. Thank you.